What's up, chingu? Today, we are turning up the heat in the kitchen with an epic fusion dish that's going to blow your taste buds away. I recently watched this fusion idea on YouTube and thought, why not give it a try myself using what I have in my kitchen? Let's do some experiment. We are blending the rich, bold flavors of Indian spices with the savory, comforting essence of Filipino cuisine to create a mouthwatering pork ribs recipe that's sure to leave you craving more. So grab your apron, fire up the stove, and let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need. 10 grams mixed fresh herbs, basil, parsley, and mint. 30 grams of toasted grated coconut for that nutty crunch. 150 grams of squash, cut into bite size. 1 chopped onion to add some sweetness. 1 whole bell pepper, uncut. 50 grams of takway cause I don't have string beans. 2 medium-sized eggplants, cut into chunks. 5 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter because why not? 100 grams of diced tofu. 30 grams of tomato paste to bring in some tanginess. 3 cloves of garlic, sliced thin for a burst of flavor. 1/2 tablespoon of minced ginger for that zesty kick. 2 tablespoons of curry powder to bring in the Indian heat. 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder for that golden hue. And finally, 200 grams of parboiled pork ribs, our star ingredient. Now that we've got all that ready, let's start cooking. Oh, I forgot. We also need cooking oil. First, heat up your pan over medium heat and add a bit of oil. Once it's hot, toss in the sliced garlic, chopped onion, and minced ginger. Saute them until they're fragrant and the onions turn soft and translucent. This is the foundation of our dish, layering in that classic aroma. Now that the garlic, onions, and ginger are nicely sauteed, it's time to add our parboiled pork ribs. Give them a good stir so they can soak up those delicious aromatics. Since I don't have fresh tomatoes, I'm using tomato paste instead. 30 grams will do the trick. Give it a good stir to allow the flavor to blend in with our pork. Add that in and pour in 500 milliliters of water. Give a good stir. And cover the pan with a lid and let it come to a simmer. Next, toss in the whole uncut bell pepper. I love leaving it whole because when you bite into it later, the flavor just bursts in your mouth. Now, it's time to add our fresh herb mix, parsley, basil, and mint along with the toasted grated coconut. Sprinkle in the curry powder and turmeric powder to bring in that warm, earthy flavor. Add the peanut butter next and mix everything well until it's all combined. Cover it again and let it simmer, letting all those flavors meld together. Once that's simmering nicely, toss in the squash chunks. If it looks like it needs more liquid, just add a bit more water. Season with salt, pepper, or even some pork powder to taste. Oh, almost forgot, let's add the tankay and gobi and the eggplants now. Cover with the lid once more and let everything cook together until the meat is tender and the veggies are perfectly cooked. Finally, add the diced tofu. I decided to add it because I have some in the fridge, so why not make it useful than letting it spoil and waste. Give it a little more time to cook, letting it soak up all those fusion of flavors. Actually, I have no idea what's this beautiful blend of Filipino and Indian flavors in one hearty dish called. I just find it interesting from the food I ate yesterday called Kare-Kare and chicken masala. Well, just for this video I can call it Pinoy-Indian Spiced Pork Ribs with tofu. What do you think? Is it a great name that perfectly captures the essence of this dish? Give me your comment and get ready for the tikman time. Let's see if this dish is worth to try. Oh my god! Thank you, adorable girl, for the voiceover.
Ay, mga chingu ya! Ang chingu, oh. Yan. So, this is it, pansit. The fusion of Indian and Pinoy. Kita lang ako isa YouTube. Then, I prepare kung saan to nasa ko ang ref. Kasama ang ref. Mga naman eh. Pupunta itong dapat to string beans. Tapos, pechay. Para dagan ang fish mo. Pero, kinilay available. Tapos, to si Mami Boss sa palengke. So, tikman natin. Unahin natin. I really love tofu. Seasoned tofu lang. Kasi pag tofu alone, wala din lasa. Yeah. Very good job. Ginasawsaw sa Indian ko. Parang di ba? So, nag-toast of tortilla. Try natin. Ang tortilla, pwede po na mo spicy. Anak man ang mga Indian, di ba? Marajud. As in. Marajud. Perfect po siya. Nice. Combination. So, kumanin. Ang atang kalabasa. Na may tsura. Lalo may tortilla good ay. Ito. Daan lang sa pan, ay sa kalang. Yan. Antod na may nani. Oh. Ciao. Nagli yung curry. Ginanin ako ang red bell pepper. Mas ganahan mukaw na ni pagbuo. Labi na yung suba. Ang skin niya. Natakaw na kaayo mailis. Ma-retain ang iyahang lasa. Nakakain na sa sulat. Then, ang pang-finale na to ang pork ribs. Lamit ba yun yung baboy? Ano siya? Ang fairness. Parisan na to. Ano? Ay, kinamot to eh. Alam na yung mga Indian, di ba? Kinamot na nila sila. Dibon. Dibon. Now, let's see. O, perfect food siya sa kanin. Napoy kanin diri o napoy kanin. Patag kanin o. Insusok na to diya. Susok na to. Kanin. Good na. Sa kanon. Pla. Sa kanon. Mungkap ka diri. Sa kaldero. No. Lagay natin dyan ang kanin, the tofu, and the kanin, and the eggplant. Ang katong stock sa gabi. Nalatak! Nakatabang siya sa iyahang, hindi na richness na iyahang pagka. So, richness sa iyahang taste. Hindi na ang stock sa gabi. Yeah. Sabi pa rin siya na anong ribs, oh. Kung gusto mo og halang-halang, kailangan ninyo og chili powder. This one, hindi siya lang. Suso. I mix both. Chop. Tortilla wrap. And Mm. Wala na tamang rice. At wala kaming dom. Ayun na. So, next up, the fusion of Indian and Filipino. So that's it for today. See you sa next lemon. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you for watching!